All right, Tony, why should people join us live for our online training on February 27th?
Don't do it unless you're hungry. And I don't mean food hungry. I mean hungry for more, hungry to have an impact, hungry to find a higher purpose. It's what both of us have built our lives on over 60 years between us, for me, 40 years. And it's the opportunity to really learn how to take any knowledge you have, anything that's useful, anything that's valuable, and help other people. Or if you know somebody else, I started as a knowledge broker. Jim Rohn was my teacher, and I learned all these things he was doing, and I didn't have his skills, so I got people to hear him. And that helped change my life because I heard it over and over again until I became the speaker.
And then you were the expert.
Yeah, and I became the expert. So it's just, if you're looking for a way to either have a secondary business, but one that's meaningful. Anybody can sell widgets or go online and market something. But if you want to do something that's fun, that's powerful, that's emotive, that gives you meaning, then you should tune in live and we'll show you exactly how we've done it over the last 60 years together.
It's not for the few anymore. Self-education is becoming the new norm. Tony and I condensed 60 plus years. We took decades, as you always say, condensed it into the best course possible, the best process, the blueprint, and now we're going live again. We went live last year. We had over 450,000 people register. Over 200,000 people showed up. And those 200,000 people who didn't show up had massive FOMO for missing out on live, and we're doing it again. We joke and we say we broke the internet. It didn't actually break, but we had so many people show up. We're doing it again. February 27th, we're going live. It's one of those things you do not want to miss. I would bet to say you heard about it, you had a friend tell you about it, you saw it online, and maybe you missed it. And do something that's meaningful. Like Tony said, this isn't a magical money machine. This is the opportunity to be a part of something real and learn from two guys who've been doing it for over 60 years. So we're so excited. So right on this page right now, you can click the link and reserve your spot. Then put it in your phone and don't miss out. Any last words?
Just that we also have such a beautiful community. We have 21,000 people that just on Facebook alone sharing their stories of impact and helping each other. It's just like, it's not like you're alone. So we're really proud of the values that this organization has created. Whether you're representing somebody else or yourself or figuring out how to build some masterminds, it's really an amazingly dynamic opportunity to grow. So hopefully we'll get a chance to share with you that day and put it on your schedule, and we'll see you and we'll do everything we can to serve you.
Yeah, click the link, reserve your spot, show up on time. We'll see you there.
See you then.